Are you trying to message on TikTok under 16 and you don't know what to do? Because a lot of people face this particular problem whenever they're signing up for their TikTok, and they just use any age. They don't even consider maybe the TikTok policy doesn't support underage account, or all those kind of accounts that are under 16, but they just sign up, and at the end of the day they realize that they are limited and they are not able to send messages on TikTok. Now, if this is something that you're experiencing, then stick with me, because in this video tutorial I'm going to try as much as possible to give you a solution that you can use for this problem. Stay right there, because I'll be right back. Alright, welcome back, friend. If this is your first time of being in this channel, my name is Maverick from Online with Maverick, and what I talk about here is exactly how you can solve your social media problems, and also how tools of how you can also solve your mobile tech problems and any problem related to your mobile phone, because this is something that you use every particular minute of your life. Then I'll suggest that you hit the red subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I drop new tutorials right there on this channel. Okay, so now what can you do exactly to solve this problem? So previously in 2021, there's this feature that allows you to edit your age, okay? So that means the moment you just press on this hamburger icon, although I'm not logged in here, but the moment you press on this hamburger icon, you'll be able to edit your age right here, okay? But now in 2022, this feature is no more available. Then maybe hopefully later on TikTok can also still reconsider this feature, but presently this feature is not available. So right here, if you're in your account, all you just have to do is to log out of your account at first. Okay, so if you tap on this hamburger icon, okay, in your profile, I'm not logging, remember, so just scroll down and log out of your account. You're gonna see it below, okay, right here. Just scroll down, you see log out, and the moment you log out, you're gonna try to resign in. Okay, that is what you want to do exactly. So what you want to do now is to sign up for another account rather, all right? So just tap on sign up, like you want to sign up for another account. You can check down below, you're gonna see already have an account, log in. But right there you want to go for don't have an account, sign up, okay? You want to sign up for a new account, all right? Now the reason why you're doing this is not because you want to create a new account entirely, but you want to create a new account using that your previous account so that TikTok can make reference to he, and they can help you change the age of that same account. So what you're going to do now is to tap on continue, use phone or email. Then the moment you tap on use phone or email, you're gonna see when is your birth date. So here is where you're gonna add an age that is not under 16. So I suggest that you go for 1989 or 1990. Okay, so you just go for that, and you can select your real date of birth right here. If it's July 9th, okay, you can just go for it and select your real date of birth so that your friends will be able to wish you happy birthday on the day of your birthday. Okay, I know how a lot of people enjoys that. All right, now the moment you select your date of birth, remember, make sure that you use an age that is not under 16. Okay, use an age that is around 30 years plus. All right, so the moment you select your age, click on next, and here is where the magic happens. All right, now stick with me here, because you need to focus it now. Here you need to use the exact phone number that you used. Okay, the exact phone number that you used for your account which is under 16. All right. All right, so you need to use the exact phone number that you used for your account, which is under 16. Also, if it's an email that you use to register the account, you need to use the exact email address that you used to register the account, which is under 16. Now, what will happen here is that the moment you input the number right here, okay, the moment you input that same number here or the same email address, then TikTok is just gonna automatically, because they don't want duplicated accounts. So what they're gonna do is that they're gonna realize that you're still the same person that is creating an account. So they're just gonna add the edited age to your age. So they're gonna update your age. And right now you're still gonna be using the same account, all right? So it doesn't mean that you're gonna be starting a new account afresh. But what you're just doing is that you're editing your age, since there is no direct way of you editing your age. So right here is a way of you editing your age easily. Okay, so what is going to happen, just like I said, is the moment you input your phone number or email right here and you get a verification code and you successfully get him back, all right, then TikTok is never going to create a duplicated account. They're just going to feel like you're still the same person. So what they're going to do is that they're going to sign you into that same account, but right now your age will be updated. Okay, so this is exactly how we solve problems like this for clients and for myself. So now this is how it goes, all right? And if the issue is still persisting also, you can just tap on this. Maybe yours is not they didn't really go through. Then you can tap on this question mark icon at the top right corner. Tap on that. Then it will take you to their app center, which you're gonna contact them for support. Okay. Then you can tap on order. Okay. And is the problem solved? Need more help? Just tap on need more help, and you can just drop your message here. Okay, so just type your message. You can tell them that you mistakenly used an underage date of birth when you're signing up, so they should please help you to consider your new age, which you just edited. Okay, right there on TikTok. Okay, so just tell them that you just edited your new age. You can screenshot it when you're editing it. Okay, try to screenshot when you're editing it with the method I just taught you. Okay, then tell them that they should please quickly grant your request. So just tap on this image icon. Okay, and it will take you to your gallery, and you will be able to drop the screenshot and report. Okay, so this is exactly how you can message under 16. Okay, you can message on TikTok under 16. So I believe this video has been very helpful, friend. If it is, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button, because it motivates me to keep creating more tutorials like this for you guys. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people. And if you need more tutorials on TikTok and social media, then I suggest that you check out my channel, because I have several other tutorials right there that is going to help you. And it might be something that you're experiencing, maybe a problem you're experiencing. Just go right there. You're going to see a solution to it right there on my channel. And if you're the kind of person that you like wallpapers a lot, then I suggest that you check the link in the video description and download the wallpapers. They are being created by me with some premium templates, and they are gonna make your phone look very much nice. So just suggest that you check them out, download them. It is free of charge, and it is a way of me saying thank you very much to my viewers, and thank you for sticking by to always watch my videos. And also, this is a way of saying thank you for watching till the end. So download those free wallpapers for your phone so that they can beautify your phone, and they are non-copyrighted. You're not gonna get any problem using them. They are being created by me. Thank you very much for your time, my friend, and I'm gonna see you some other video tutorials. Peace and stay safe.